will soon wear off.
Prescription's all lost.
Ask about this and how that affects your reality. And
I just don't get it.
When you wanna dance,
you will not be able to stay home, brother. You will not be able to plug in, turn on, and cop out. You will not be able to lose yourself on Skag and skip out for beer during commercials because the revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be brought to you by the Schaefer Award Theater and will not star Natalie Woods and Steve McQueen or Bullwinkle and Julia. The revolution will not fight germs and make cause bad breath. The revolution will put you in the driver's seat. There will be no pictures of you and Willie Mae pushing that shopping cart down the block on the dead run or trying to slide that color TV into a stolen ambulance. NBC will not be able to predict the winner at 8:32 on sports from 29 districts. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised, will not be televised, will not be televised, will not be televised. The revolution will be no rerun, brothers. The revolution will be live.
you dance to the white noise. White noise. If you wanna get rich, get to the white noise. And if you get rich quick, then you can be a rich bitch. And now I'm counting up all of these benefits. It's nothing but white noise. Breaking up the white noise. Breaking the white noise. Breaking up the white noise. Breaking the white noise.
Concentrate noise.